Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the week of gratitude. I like to think that we should be incredibly grateful every day, not just around Thanksgiving. So today's super short gratitude chair yoga practice is going to be tapping into the place within us that appreciates not the big stuff, not the given stuff like our friends, our family, our home, and our food, but the more subtle, untouchable things. That's what I like to focus on. So we're gonna start by putting our hands on our heart, sitting nice and tall, upright in your chair. I'm not using the back of my chair. I've got a straight spine, feet are flat on the floor. Take a big breath. Empty the breath. Can you feel your heart beating? See if you can find that sensation. Can you feel your body breathing? The air coming into the body, the chest rising, the belly expanding, and then the emptying. Feel that sensation. One more. I can feel my heart beating. To be alive, open your arms up really wide. Draw your elbows back. Notice the skin on your chest is stretching, opening up the heart. Come back and stack your fire logs. On an in-breath, open your arms like a cactus, but pull way back. On your exhale, stack your fire logs. Do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Big opening of the heart. One more. Open wide. Hold here. Tip your cactus over, and then reach your left arm to the sky. Ooh. Come back, tip, reach, 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 come back and stack your fire logs. Grab a hold of the elbow and just pull around and twist. Come back to the other side, grab the other elbow, pull and twist. Come back to the cactus, take the elbows way back, lower the hands, grab your wheels of your wheelchair if you're in a wheelchair, or the back of your chair. Lean forward. Feel the stretch on your chest. Come back to a straight spine. Bring your hands around. Now, most of us are slumped a good amount of the time, whether it's because of our physical stuff, or we're working all the time, or driving all the time, or we don't even realize we're protecting and guarding the heart. Gratitude comes from here. And so to open that up, brings into that heart chakra, that heart space, that then allows the mind to recognize the feeling of fullness, the feeling of gratitude, the feeling and appreciation of even the little things. Doesn't have to be the big screen TVs and the great job and the perfect marriage and the house. It's the sensation that you feel, the smell that you smell, the taste of food, the eyes that can see beauty and wonder. It's all of that. Stack your fire logs. Open bigger than you did before. Stack them again. Fantastic. Two more. Pull back, stack, pull back. Now tee out your arms. I'm close to the window. Tip over and reach. I tried to chase the sun this morning, but didn't make it. Tee out your arms, reach. So beautiful. Stack your fire logs and let's spin again. And spin again. Come back, lower your hands, grab one of your legs. I'm starting with my right. Interlace the fingers like a basket. Lift your heart, squeeze in, and then lower. Squeeze and lower. Now, some people might say, I've heard this a lot, that we hold a lot of emotion in our hips. So we're gonna work the hips just a little bit. All right, last one, bring it up, grab it with your right hand, swing it open like a gate. Take your left arm to the sky and feel that opening. It's pretty ginormous. Now, we're gonna take the right leg and loop it on top of the left like a figure four. Hands go to the leg, toes to the knee, and lean forward. You're gonna feel a big stretch in the right cheek. It's a good one. Rise up, come back, and let's do the other side. Bring your left leg into the chest and lower it. Into the chest and lower it. Two more. squeeze. This one's a little bit tricky for me. All right, ready? Grab it with your left hand, just swing it open. Other arm goes up. It's called gate pose. It's a huge diagonal opening. It's beautiful. Now bring your left foot on top of your right. I'm gonna cross like I'm wearing a skirt instead of that big external figure 4 stretch because my body's just not there. I'm gonna still lean forward just like you and feel a stretch in the back side. Feels so good. Come back up, separate your legs, swing them wide like you're sitting on a horse. Drop your right arm. This one is we're gonna reach up and over so we get the diagonal line left side. Feel it? Return the left arm to the left leg. Right arm goes up like a diagonal. Feel it? Come back. We're gonna finish with stacking the fire logs. Opening the heart. Stack and open bigger. We got 3 more of these. Big. Spread your fingers wide. Create a lot of space here. 1 more after this. Here we go. We're gonna hold it open. Tip on over. Oh, come back. Tip on over. Come back. Wrap your arms around your shoulders and squeeze. Bring your legs in. Draw your elbows to your belly. Round your spine like you're huddling into this beautiful shell of yourself. Rising up, spreading your arms wide, and then returning your hands to your heart. Take a breath. Empty the breath. Close your eyes. Feel the heartbeat. Feel the rise and the fall of your chest. Listen to the sounds in the space that you sit in. Perhaps you feel the warmth of your heater or the crisp of a slight window open as it crosses over your body. Perhaps you can smell coffee or somebody cooking breakfast or just morning air. Lower your hands. There is so much to be grateful for. We have our 5 senses, most of us, what we see, what we taste, what we touch, what we hear, what we smell. And then I believe we have a 6th inner sense, which is what we feel. And I hope that this week, as you prepare for a holiday where there's a feast, hopefully, and there's family and friends gathering around you, that you will also recognize the untouchable things, witnessing the small and subtle feelings that we have when we walk into a room and we're greeted with a smile. Or we hold a door open for a stranger and you can see the shift that they feel, the kindness. Those are the things that we look for in gratitude. Have a wonderful holiday. Have a great Thanksgiving. Eat lots, wear stretchy pants, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.